Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You should not turn off core security. Instead, confirm you have administrator rights and clearly define the need for a change. Once you know why, make sure the target file or app is trusted and up to date. If this is for development or testing, create a controlled environment like a VM. Make sure to document what you plan to change and notify stakeholders. That keeps systems accountable and reduces risk instead of simply cutting protections. Rather than disabling Windows security, add specific exclusions or use isolation. Once done, use an isolated virtual machine or sandbox that mirrors your environment so risks stay contained. Make sure to run only signed, verified binaries and use real-time monitoring logs to watch behavior. If a tool falsely flags your file, submit it to the vendor for analysis and add an exclusion only for that verified artifact. This preserves broad protection while solving the immediate problem. Complete work swiftly, then re-enable full protections and run a quick scan. You must restore defenses right away. If problems persist, examine security logs to identify why the blocker occurs and collect relevant file names and timestamps. Make sure to escalate to your IT team or the antivirus vendor with that information for permanent resolution. If a change was necessary, document it and roll back any temporary allowances. This keeps systems secure and auditable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.